Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Snibe Diagnostics MAGLUMI Toxo IgG CLIA. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. Here you can see the product name MAGLUMI Toxo IgG CLIA Chemiluminescence Immunoassay method. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 2.5 ml calibrator low, 2.5 ml calibrator high, 22.5 ml buffer, 22.5 ml ABA label, 2 ml internal quality control. Over here we can see the reference number of this product 130212001M. Here we can see the lot number and the expiry date also. This is C certificate IVD product. The pictorial representation presents one instruction manual inside this kit. We can store away from direct sunlight. We should maintain 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius for this kit. We can do 100 tests using this reagent kit. Over here we can see the manufacturing details of this product. Manufacturing of this kit is from China. The origin of kit is China. We can see the details of here. This is overall preview of this product. Now I am going to show the other angles. On this side we can see the Snibe Diagnostics brand name. On the other side, back side, we can see the Snibe Diagnostics brand name. On the other side, we can see the product name MAGLUMI Toxo IgG. Here we can see the reference number 130212001M. Then lot number, then expiry date also. This is overall representation of this product. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. Yeah, after unpacking, the first product is from Snibe Diagnostics MAGLUMI Toxo IgG CLIA C certificate IVD product. The reference number of this kit 130212001M 100 test kit. Here we can see the intent use summary and the explanation of the test, principle of the test, kit components, calibration, quality control, specimen collection, and lot of stuff in this instruction manual. I am going to keep this aside. And next one is MAGLUMI Toxo IgG Snibe Diagnostics quality control information. This quality control information contains internal quality control. Here we can see the details: internal quality control, lot number, target value, range, notes, stability. These are the information contains this internal quality control information. Now I am going to keep this aside. The next one is a MAGLUMI reagent seal. Total of 3 nurses. We can see the name MAGLUMI reagent seal Toxo IgG. And the next one is the QC certificate product by Snibe Diagnostics. I am going to keep this aside. And the next one is Toxo IgG internal quality control. Internal quality control stickers, total of 4 nurses. I am going to keep this aside. The next one is MAGLUMI Toxo IgG CLIA volume of 2 ml internal quality control solution. I repeat, here we can see Toxo IgG CLIA volume of 2 ml MAGLUMI internal quality control solution. I'm going to keep this aside. And the final one is here we can see MAGLUMI Toxo IgG CLIA. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 2.5 ml calibrator low, 2.5 ml calibrator high, 22.5 ml buffer, 22.5 ml ABA label. These are the reagents contains this kit. Here we can see the back side. These are the solutions present in this reagent kit. Now we are going for summary. Today we can see about Snibe Diagnostics MAGLUMI Toxo IgG CLIA. This kit contains one instruction manual, one MAGLUMI Toxo IgG quality control information, a MAGLUMI reagent seal, a quality control certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics, internal quality sticker, an internal quality control solution, volume of 2 ml, and reagent kit. This reagent kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 2.5 ml calibrator low, 2.5 ml calibrator high, 22.5 ml buffer, 22.5 ml AB label. Thank you.